Hey babes, I am back with another haul. This one is actually going to be a swimwear, like, you know, bikini haul. I just have like a few, so it's going to be a very short haul compared to my last one. It's from the brand ARLO, or ARLO Swimwear. They're an online company. I was reached out by them and they wanted me to do a review haul video for you guys. And like I said before, my other videos, I wouldn't do something if I didn't like it. So that means that I'm doing this. I like it. So I have several things to show you. I have a couple like two-piece bikinis and then I have one-piece. Heads up, these are cheeky swimwear bottoms and some of the tops are very minimal, so it's perfect for me because I don't like tan lines. I don't like granny panties or full coverage bottoms to begin with. So this caters to my needs. I'm not too sure if online on their website they have any other like options that are more fuller coverage. I know the one piece is actually a bit more fuller coverage than what I would like, but I need to stand up because it looks like I'm naked. But it still is cute, especially if you want to take cute Instagram pictures, because obviously I wouldn't be using the one-piece swimsuit to tan in. You know, that's something I can wear around my family, my parents. Well, for me, I wear pretty much any of these around my family, my parents, because I know that's just bikinis that I like. But I'm saying for other people who wouldn't want to wear something like a thong bikini in front of their parents. I'm doing a lot of chit-chatting, so let's just get straight into this, and I will try everything on for you guys and show everything. It comes in this cute packaging. Obviously, it has the brand on there, ARLO Swim, or ARLO. One thing is, I would say I'm usually a 32B bra size, and on the cusp of a B and a C. I live on a busy street. Anyways, so I would say since you can choose the sizing differently, which is a good thing, like you can choose a small for your top and a medium for your bottom, which is what I did. So I think the bottoms run a bit smaller. Some of them will actually say run smaller, run true to size, and this and that. So follow that for the most part and follow for your actual size. So in this one, it is the Hendrix ribbed bikini set in the color chili, which is like a red-orange color. So let's just take it out of the bag. This is cute because it's like, cool. Cierra speak English. You can reuse it if you want to put it in here, you know, after you went to the swim pool or the beach and your bikini's wet. You can throw it in here so it doesn't get like your towel or your other clothes wet. So I got this one in a size small for the top and medium for bottom if I didn't say that, and hopefully I remember to say that for all the other ones. So this one is a triangle. Obviously the materials are, but it's a triangle. Is this right? I am struggling today, guys. Anyways, here it is. It's this. So obviously you can see the ribbed detailing. The only thing is you can't adjust the triangles. Like the triangles are there. Like you can't make them bigger, you can't make them smaller, you can't move them at all. But these straps themselves are adjustable, so that will help anyone as well. And then for the back clasp, there's only one like hook option, so you can't make it, you know, like sometimes they have like 3 or 2 of them. There's only one. So that's the top. And then here are the bottoms, which I got, like I said, in a size medium. So this one is definitely a thong. So there's that. That's the front. And here is the back. Once again, like I said in my other videos, sorry Dad. But obviously you can see it has the rib materials. It matches my nails. So that's that. I will be trying this on in a little bit.
Party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie at. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you.
Also, I forgot to mention, I mean, they do tons of like discount codes on their websites or deals, like buy 2, get 1 free and this and that, but that last set was $42. So going on to the next set, it is the Kenzie set, Kenzie ribbed bikini set in Noor. It's black. There we go. Anyways, for this one, I actually got sent a medium in the top and the medium in the bottom. I'm not too sure if I ordered that with them. I know I would order the medium with the bottom. I'm not sure about the top, but the thing is, the top is good. I don't think I would want a small because it's already small to begin with. So this one, before I forget, is $45. So this one is also like a triangle set, but it has like a different structure to it. Obviously you can see here, once again, it is ribbed then the straps are adjustable, and then for the back clasping there is 3 options. So obviously for me, I would wear it on the smallest one. So like I said, this is in a medium and the bottoms are in a medium as well. So then you just clasp it, and it has like the silver detail buckles for the adjustable straps, and I've been wearing this one a lot to tan in actually, and it's not that bad for tan lines. I mean, I've been tanning the past 2 days, still pale as can be, but I don't have any crazy tan lines. So that's the top, and then here are the bottoms. Once again, they are very cheeky. So before I go into detail about this, I will say this is, I mean, it's like stretchy, but it doesn't have a lot of stretch and give to it. So when I first tried it on, it was very snug, very tight, but it was still wearable. It just probably was a bit on the uncomfortable side. But then I like kind of like stretched it out a bit with my own hands, like literally sitting here like this for a few minutes. And I don't know if that helped, or if me, you know, wearing it a couple of times or a few times helped, but it fits good now.
Did I ever tell you, you make it better like that? Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit?
Going on to the next set, this is called the ARLO One Shoulder Bandeau set, and I got it in khaki, so it's like that olive green color. So this one has, it's like a bandeau, but then it has like one little strap that goes across, or for the shoulders. So obviously you can see here. So this one's not ribbed, it's just like a normal material, as you can see. I will say I got this one in a small top and a medium bottom. The bottoms are fine. Well, I think those might actually be a little bit big. I can't remember. But the top is a little bit big on me, and it is a size small. So let me just, yeah. So I mean, it has like cups in there. I don't know if you can remove them. Okay, it doesn't look like you can remove the cups out, but I'm sure you could cut like a little slit there and then take them out yourself. But for me in general, it is a little, I mean, you can probably tell, it's just a little bit on the big side, but it's such a beautiful color that I'm gonna try and make it work some way. And then for the one shoulder strap, you can actually take it off. So if you just wanted a bandeau style, then you can have it, or if you want that support and that cute little, you know, added on piece with the one shoulder strap, you can keep it on. And then for the bottoms, like I said, I got in a medium. So this one's also like a cheeky thong, like a wider thong or whatever, but as you can see, it is like so. It has the ruche detailing here on the back side, which actually helps, you know, with the booty, make it a little bit rounder. You know, we all need a little help here and there. But like I said, it's such a beautiful color. I think this color looks so good on any skin tone. I was like kind of questioning because I'm like, oh, I'm kind of on the paler side, at least for right now. But when I tried it on, I wasn't tan at all. Like I was even paler than this, and it was such a stunning color. So if you're questioning like what, you know, color is good for your skin tone, khaki or olive green is your friend. Okay, forgot to say the size, or no, the price. So this one actually seems like it's on sale because it said it was $40 and it's a cross out, and now it says $30. So if you want it for even cheaper now, go get it, girl.
Anyway, 'cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me.
Next I have is the Marlowe set. I believe that this comes in a couple different colors as well. I think maybe just white and black. Wow, I live on such a busy street. I'm so sorry. I can't change that though. So this one I got in a size medium because, like, I think it says, yeah, it says size fit run small, take a size up. So normally I'm a size small, or like a US size 4, Australian or UK size 8. So I got like this in a medium. I will say, I don't know if it's because, okay, I don't even know how I'm going to show you this because it's all untied. But anywho, it's a one piece ribbed material. Is it going to focus? The thing is, so it says like a size small if it's a size cup, like a 8 cup, or US size 2, or Australian size 6. So obviously, even going based off their own website, I would be a medium. I don't know if I would want to size down in this. I mean, obviously you'll see when I try it on and everything, but it's one of those things that it just seems, it's like it's a little bit on the big side for me. And this one does have removable cups which I will probably do because they're like those circle ones. But anyways, let me see. Okay. Going on the size thing, I'm not too sure if it would be something that I would want to get the small in because of my booty, because I do have a bigger booty. So this is not cheeky or thong or anything like that, but it does have excess material, if that makes sense, especially if I want to try to make it cheeky. But I'm going to figure something out, even if it's after I film this whole video. But anyways, here's the front. So it has that, and then it has a tie for the halter neck, and then this would be the bottom. So obviously you can see it is a bigger thing, but it's good if you don't want to wear anything like cheeky or thong at all, or in front of family, friends. And then it has like these ties here, and that goes like around your waist, and it ties in the front, or I mean that's how they have it pictured on the website, but if you want to tie it differently, then so be it. But this one is $48. Also the color I got in, obviously you can see it's a white color, but they call it vanilla. So let's get to that try on bit.
Maybe I am somebody